Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's in silver and it looks awesome. You got that chrome accenting up front here. You do also have your projector style headlights hanging out right there and your fog lights just down there. And right over here we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 20-inch rims. There's lots of tread on them, they look awesome. You do also have your running boards along the bottom there and your lights up here with the turning signal, and they are heated as well. Coming around to the back, we do have our 5-foot box back here. We've got that 4x4, the Ram, and the dual exhaust pipes. You do also have your cover here, keeping things nice and dry. It looks awesome in here as well. It does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting all scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have our panic there and our remote start right there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside of the vehicle. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You do have that guy that brings in your mirrors. Handle here and some storage here and here. It looks awesome in here. The leather trim seats are very comfortable. They have that cloth as well, very nice. They are electric, so backward and forward. Tilt and lumbar support is right there. And then up here we got the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights and in-cabin light control there. And then right over here we do have our controls over our turning signals, our windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge, engine temperature, battery life, and oil up there. It does also tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 55,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around as well to your vehicle info. You also have your fuel economy, trip A and B. You have your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then over here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Looks awesome. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over your mirror dimmer and settings. Then you have your climate control here. You also have your phone options right over here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings there. Down here is our gear shift, so just like that. And then down here is the controls over the 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and 2-wheel. And then we have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power, off, and then our defrosts with our traction control and tow and haul mode. Some storage there. You also have some storage here with a place for a phone and cup holders. Then you have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You do have your SD card slot, 2 USB, and an aux cord plug in there. Then you can lift this guy up and you got even more room just underneath there. And then over here we do have our top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. Lots of room. And then you have your universal garage door opener and the control over the window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage. It looks fantastic back here as well. It is the same material as the front, so the leather trim seats are very nice. You can fold this guy down right here, and then you got an armrest with some cup holders if you didn't need all 3 people back here. Then you can fold this guy up, and you do have some storage underneath there. As well, this guy does fold down just like this, giving you a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And right underneath here you do have some extra storage. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.